Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another unboxing video. It's always so exciting to do unboxing videos with you guys. Today I'm going to be sharing a comforter. This is from Elegear. It's stretch fabric cooling comforter. So let's go ahead and open it and show you guys. So it comes in a very compact packaging and it looks like this. Whoops. It looks like this. It says stretch fabric cooling comforter, cooling like no other. So basically this has cool touch technology and it absorbs your body heat and keeps you cool. It's sweat proof. It's super soft and comfortable to your skin. So let's go ahead and open it and check it out. Whoops. Oh my god, it feels so soft and so cold. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. Oh my god, let me start by saying that this is a super fluffy feeling. It's anti-static, it's super soft, very comfortable. Oh god, oh god. This can be used double-sided and it has a cooling touch technology which lowers the body temperature above 5 degrees Celsius and keeps you cool and comfortable the entire night. And look how big it is. It fits a twin and a queen size bed. Oh god, I'm not gonna share this with anybody. Also, no harmful chemicals or treatments were used in the entire manufacturing process that can be damaging to your skin or health, because why do you want to use something that damages your health? At least one less thing that you can feel secure and safe by using it. I'm so excited about this. This is so beautiful. It's so big. Look at that. It's so good. So anyways, I hope you like this blanket. Let me just take it. I hope you like this blanket. It's super cool. Oh my god, I cannot wait for my summers to use this. And you guys have to check it out. All the details are in the description box below, so do check it out. And I also have a coupon code for you guys, so you guys can enjoy this super cooling comforter. Alright then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.